Hey everyone, today I'm working on a 2016 Ford Explorer. This is a beast of a vehicle, 3 rows of seats and a back storage area. The vehicle has some pet hair and some sand, but I really wish we had smell-o-vision. This vehicle had a strong smell of horses. Now, if you've ever worked around horses, you know they have a particular smell that is unmistakable. I'm going to do my best to get this vehicle in as perfect condition as I can. Make sure you stick around to see the impressive before and after photos. Let's get into it. The carpet in this vehicle is pretty good quality. I was able to get them pretty clean with just a good vacuum. You can see here that I'm getting that floor mat really clean. I'll use a pressure washer on these floor mats later on, and I also have to bust out the lily brush a little bit later on some of these carpets because the owner does have a couple of dogs that they do bring around with them in the vehicle quite often. You can see here just how effective this lily brush is in removing pet hair from the carpet fibers. I've linked this product down in the description below along with some of the other products that I use in my detail. Moving into the extraction now, as I said in the beginning of this video, the toughest part of these carpets really is trying to get the smell out of them. You can see they weren't too dirty, but the cowboy boots that the owner and her daughters use to work with their horses tracked in that manure smell. And once that's in a vehicle, I'll be honest, it's almost impossible to get it removed. But I'll use my Bissell and the cleaning solution and extract as much of the smell as I can. The weather was just warm enough again for me to get the pressure washer out to really attack these floor mats. They don't look too dirty, but as you'll see here, the longer I rinse them, the more dirt and filth just seems to come out of them. So I have to hit these numerous times with the pressure washer, and it seemed, like I said, the more I washed, the more dirt came out. So it took me a good 20 to 30 minutes to get these floor mats washed up and cleaned up nicely. After pressure washing, these mats are extremely soaked, so I bring them inside here and hit them with the Bissell and suck out as much water as I can so they dry much faster. The trim in this vehicle was really just dusty. It wasn't in too bad a shape, and I really love the ambient sounds of that detail brush, so I'll stop talking and let you listen. I always enjoy working on leather seats. Now, they require a lot of elbow grease, as you can see here, using this horsehair brush to work that cleaner into the seat. This is a combination Meguiar's cleaner and conditioner that I'm trying out, but it seems like every leather conditioner or cleaner that I've found is really thick. It's not really a spray-on, so I'm still looking for that spray-on leather cleaner that I can just spray on and really rub into the fibers and loosen it up. But this cleaner ended up looking really nice, or the seats ended up looking really nice after you can see here, after I wipe them down. It really brings back that shine to these seats. going around now and applying some 303 aerospace protectant to really finalize the look. And as you can see here, as it hits those black trim pieces, it really kind of revitalizes them and brings them back to life a little bit. This is an excellent product that I use in all of my details. The finishing touch here is to get the glass cleaned. I use Sprayway glass cleaner. It's non-ammonia. It does a great job of getting the streaks out of it. It doesn't streak up at all. I use a very short pile microfiber towel here, one side to do the cleaning, and then you'll see I flip it over here, and the other side I do the polishing and the buffing. You can see back on the shelves there, you can see again some of the deer racks that have dropped that we raise on our farm. The end results of this detail turned out fantastic. I love the look and feel of leather after it is cleaned and conditioned. If you enjoyed the video, go on down and hit that like button and share this video to your friends. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.